years old. Exactly 45 years back. So I was only 24. I started Bharatanatyam to keep my body in fit condition. So I started Bharatanatyam. I learned Bharatanatyam for 7 years. And then, so what happened, my walking style became entirely different. So I used to walk like this. And my friends used to tell, "Like Krishna, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಿಂಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ನಡೀತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ." And then while teaching also, I implemented Bharatanatyam in teaching also. I was teaching 24 years back when I started my profession. I started with this heredity lesson, and I used to teach like this, using Bharatanatyam only, the expressions and all. So, after conducting experiments, John Mendel proposed 3 laws. One is law of dominance. You take down law of dominance. Law of dominance. Law of dominance means of the two contrasting characters. Take down notes. Of the two contrasting characters, OF of the two contrasting characters, dominant will be expressed. Dominant will be expressed while other remains concealed, unexpressed. CONCEALED. Other. So I used to teach this one like this. Of the two contrasting characters, dominant will be expressed while the other remains concealed. This type. Of the two contrasting characters, dominant will be expressed while the other remains concealed, like this. Next law is law of segregation of genes. Law of segregation of genes. Contrasting characters are separated out during the formation of gametes. This is also called law of purity of gametes. You see, I used to teach this one, second law, like this. Contrasting characters are separated out during the formation of gametes. Okay, next law. Law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment. Separation and distribution of genes to the gametes. Separation and distribution of genes to the gametes is entirely independent of other genes. So I used to teach like this. Separation and distribution of genes to the gametes is entirely independent of other genes. So, of the two contrasting characters, dominant will be expressed while the other remains concealed. Contrasting characters are separated out during the formation of gametes. This kind of separation and distribution of genes to the gametes is entirely independent of other genes. Thank you.